what would we got some interesting folks around us. Again, we're back in Oregon. Good morning. It's day 5. It's time to head back to Oregon, unfortunately.
Yeah.
So we're just finishing up breakfast. We're getting ready to ride back to the Portland metro area in Lebanon, just back into Oregon from Coeur d'Alene. Weather is going to be good. I mean, a little overcast, but it's not raining, and that's important. So best part of the trip, Earl?
Glacier National Park was definitely the highlight. Views were spectacular. We had a little bit of everything in terms of adventure and weather. Good fellowship. Yeah, it was a blast.
For me, Glacier, and it was the part when we got up near the top and then the clouds finally parted, the sun started shining. It was amazing. Like,
that was
breathtaking.
Cool.
Yeah, Glacier for me as well, obviously. But that spot where we stopped, where we could sit and just kind of look at the lake, and we got a couple photos. If I could have popped a tent right there and just camped there for a couple days, I would have been super happy. Bike ride, super great. Learned that it's better if we can in the future to build in kind of like a whatever day. If you want to go ride, you go ride. If you don't want to go ride, you could, hit somewhere, go hiking, or just go do something relaxing. That would have been nice. I think that kind of slows down a little bit of the breakneck pace.
We always want a little bit more, though.
We do always want a little bit more.
We're always...
And
I did have another highlight.
You had another highlight.
Yeah. Clayton admitted that the safety features that were added to the bike...
I could see the stickers. Yes, at night I could see the stickers.
Were effective. So they served their purpose.
Effective's a strong word. I could see the stickers.
Aaron?
I thought it helped because you could see how wide the bike was.
Thank you. The
like
voice of reason.
Passing in the dark, they could see the black box.
If you ride a black bike, you should have some reflective features added for safety.
They're not safety features, not at all. Your matte black helmet blends right into the background. Coeur d'Alene's real pretty, especially around the lake, obviously. It'd been cool if we could see a little bit more of it, but just the way that the trip kind of planned out, didn't get a chance to see all of it. I know my family, your family, and your family have all expressed interest of coming back out, so I'm sure we will do that soon, hopefully maybe next summer. And then I don't know if we're going to be able to convince the family to be the support vehicles for the motorcycle ride. Hint, hint.
You'll love it.
Just think of it. If it rains, you're going to laugh at us the entire time while you're sitting in the warm car. I had a great time. I am so happy you guys could go. Awesome. I know it was real short notice this year with everything that's been going on. Aaron, thanks for buying another motorcycle. Earl, thanks for buying a motorcycle and getting back into it. That was good.
And of course, I picked the most practical bike I could.
Well, that's kind of your thing.
Yeah.
I was super glad that you guys could make it out there. Super fun. We'll take some video of the ride back a little bit today. I think some of the smoke is cleared out through the area that we're going, so might be able to actually see some nice countryside. It's time to throw our stuff on the bikes and get out of here. Top Gear we are not, but we do our thing. At least it's for us.
We have fun.
So it's fun. All right. arriving back in the Portland metro area. Had an incredible time riding out to Montana and back. Aaron's about to take off and head south. Earl's going to continue west. I'm going to head into the metro area so that way we can get back to the real world, which is unfortunate.
Yeah, we're really excited to be back.
Yeah, you can tell in your face.
It'll be good if you see the family.
Yeah, so it'll be good to see the family.
Not excited to go right back to work.
Thank you so much to all of our families for allowing us to entertain these ideas. This is the second trip. Learned a lot in this one, just like we did in the California trip. I overpacked again. Didn't need all the stuff that I brought. Again, we're back in Oregon. Thank you, bud. Appreciate it. Brother. All right, we're going to get back on the bikes. Get out of here. It is close to dinner time, and I know how you get.
Yeah, it's time to eat. Let's go.
It's time to eat. All right. Thanks. Home. I forgot to acknowledge that Earl's stickers on his bike do have some reflective qualities. Some.